1 year
Can you
that I'm a Bengali.
speak like
नहीं वो
टूटा
मत करो, वो
फूटा?
मत करो।
Why?
वो जो बांग्ला बोलेगा वो सेंसर हो जाएगा।
Yes.
But you're absolutely right. Waiting is the key.
Yes.
क्योंकि हमें बचपन से कहा जाता है कि सबर का फल मीठा होता है, पर कोई हमें ये नहीं बोलता कि अगले फल तक का भी सफर आपको सबर के साथ ही तय करना
Correct.
पड़ता है।
बिल्कुल.
But for Dada to say and
Exactly.
Yeah,
promote a
it means
show,
a lot.
Yes, Yusuf.
that's good enough. I think that's all manifestation.
Representing Bengal, then Dada's got
Dada
to be
is
there.
the one.
We love Kolkata. I mean, none of the actors would say कि Calcutta तो बहुत
Correct,
बड़ा
correct.
dangerous सा कुछ है. How could a city survive with not having a very dark underbelly?
I was over the moon, and so was my family, of course. And not just Bumbadab. I'm a huge fan of Bumbadab. You're the only woman right now on this panel. I'll have to ask you, what is it about bad guys and
That girl's life.
So then I guess their love is a thing that I absolutely love receiving, but I cannot explain how it changes and what they like more.
Right.
But I'm just glad as long as there's love.
Hello everyone, welcome to News 18. I am Titash Chaudhary in conversation with Team Khaki, the Bengal chapter, Ritvik, Devatma and Adil. Welcome.
Thank you.
How
Thank
are you doing?
Very
Good.
good. How are you?
All good, all good. कोलकाता से लेके बॉम्बे तक का सफर जो है. Do you miss Kolkata? Shooting there?
Yes.
Oh, we really
Yes.
miss Kolkata. Such a
Yes.
You're from Ranaghat. You're born there.
No, so my family was there.
Okay.
My Dadu Dida, my Thamma and Dadu were there. But I was born in Aurangabad, Maharashtra.
Okay.
Then I grew up in Bangalore, and then I came back to Bombay. So I've never really lived in Bengal, but my summer vacations were always
Summer
in Bengal.
vacations, I
Yeah.
can
Yeah,
imagine.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Ranaghatter Pantua, so I've had a lot.
Of course. So I read in an interview that thanks to him, you have become a sort of like a Bengali
Yeah.
only now.
Yeah.
Sort
मैं
of
नया
नहीं,
नया
full,
बंगाली
full.
हूँ. It's been just 1 year
Can you
that I'm a Bengali.
speak like
नहीं वो
टूटा
मत करो, वो
फूटा?
मत करो।
Why?
वो जो बांग्ला बोलेगा वो सेंसर हो जाएगा।
वो रंजीत वाली बांग्ला है.
Oh, that kind of Bangla.
No, but I definitely am a Bengali now.
Yes.
It's been 1 year that I'm a Bengali, and I'm a proud and happy Bengali.
How lovely. How lovely.
I still struggle with speaking it, but मैं अब समझने तो लग गया हूँ. ये लोग आजू बाजू जो बात करते हैं मुझे समझ में आ जाता है. तो अब कोई सीक्रेट्स मुझसे छुपी नहीं रहती. अब मैं सब समझ जाता हूँ.
See, that's the flip side.
But
Yeah, that's
Bengali
right.
language, थोड़ी ना, it's an emotion actually.
It's an emotion. That's true.
Being sweet, that's
Yeah.
what Bengali is. I mean,
Precisely.
Yeah. And what a lovely city it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. मतलब the food, the people, the character, the culture.
Absolutely.
Everything is just so beautiful there.
100%, 100%. You know, as I was talking about the roles that you have, there's this lovely chemistry, you know, between the characters of Shagor, you know, Ranjit for you. I just want to understand, you know, the industry is so prone to stereotyping actors. So it was an instant sense of surprise when, you know, we as audiences saw the two of you. We've never seen you in roles like this. Are such roles tough to come by?
Very honestly, for me, this is the first time I have chanced upon a part like this, and also so well written. You know, like I can point out a lot of fantastic negative or anti-hero parts throughout the history of cinema, but without the bias of the fact that I got the chance to play it. Even as an audience, if I would have seen the Bengal chapter, I feel like Shagor and Ranjit have been written so well,
Yeah.
and thanks to the avenues of being on Netflix, you know, where you can make such long format shows and spend that much time to live with them. And in an interview, Devatmada was also saying that there is so much more written about their backstory, where they come from
Sure.
and how they bonded, which we couldn't show in the show because of time constraint and how much you can say and what is needed right now. But the fact that it explores their journey and their life so well, it's very rare to chance upon, at least for me. For sure. Like I can really point out and say कि उस शो में मुझे विलेन अच्छे लगे थे या नेगेटिव पार्ट्स अच्छे लगे थे, वो एक्टर्स भी अच्छे थे. बट इस तरीके से फ्लैश्ड आउट, एंड बाय फ्लैश्ड आउट आई जस्ट डोंट मीन कि इनके बहुत सारे सीन्स हैं, इनके बहुत सारे लेयर्स हैं जो हर सीन में कुछ ना कुछ एक्सप्लोर किया जा रहा है. द वे दे हैव मेड सच इनह्यूमन कैरेक्टर्स ह्यूमन एंड जस्ट टोल्ड अस वेरी सिंपली, एंड कुडोस टू द राइटिंग, सो सिंपली दैट कि ये कोई और दुनिया के लोग नहीं है, ये हमारे बीच ही बसते हैं, ये हम जैसे ही हैं. तो आप सोचिए कि इनके साथ क्या हुआ हो कि वो ऐसे हो गए.
Right.
It's for us to reflect as a society that how one of us from our own world, from our own street is so different from who we are.
100% correct. Adil, you know, it's so different. I mean, who would have imagined that boy in Shikara? You know, I mean, that's what I'm asking. You know, are such tough roles that I'm sure also challenges you personally as an actor, tough
Yeah.
to come by.
Yeah. But you know, that's the fun of being an actor. And that is what I crave for also. To get those opportunities to challenge yourself and bring those shades out of your own self, which you also didn't know existed in you. As actors, because acting is such an internal matter, so we as actors, we tend to develop some philosophies around it. And one of the philosophies which I believe in is that we have all the shades inside us. It's good, bad, evil, jealousy, hurt, betrayal, love, bond, everything. We have all the shades inside us. We choose what profile we'll wear it on our face. And that obviously depends on the culture we come from, the upbringing we had, the kind of life experiences that we had. As actors, we probably need to dive into ourselves and, just look for those shades. And of course, it also depends on उस शेड को निकाल के फिर आपने लाइफ के चॉइसेस क्या लिए हैं, व्हाट हैव यू डन, एंड दैट द स्क्रिप्ट गिव्स यू.
Correct.
Right? The script gives you the choices.
The
Oh,
characters made,
this is what you're feeling, and so you did this.
Correct.
This is what the actions are, the choices you made. So the script does majority of work because you know that this is the route that the character takes in terms of choices. But bringing that soul, bringing that authenticity, honesty to the character is something which is inside you. You need to वो खंगाल के आपको बस शक्ल पे लेकर आना पड़ता है. And I was talking about it earlier also, that there's a reason why they say that actors play a part. There's this term play involved. खेलना, there's this childlike quality in actors. खेलते हैं actors. It's a fun process. And this is what the fun is. This is the खेल. कि आप कितना honest हो सकते हो, कितनी सच्चाई से आप झूठ बोल सकते हो. That's the thing.
But ऐसे roles के लिए रुकना पड़ता है बहुत.
हाँ,
Is the
मतलब
wait
आसानी
very
से तो नहीं
long?
मिलता.
Exactly.
I've played antagonists before.
Yes.
But you're absolutely right. Waiting is the key.
Yes.
क्योंकि हमें बचपन से कहा जाता है कि सबर का फल मीठा होता है, पर कोई हमें ये नहीं बोलता कि अगले फल तक का भी सफर आपको सबर के साथ ही तय करना
Correct.
पड़ता है.
बिल्कुल.
तो हर फल के बाद आपको सबर करना पड़ता है. तो सबर का फल अगर बंगाल चैप्टर हो तो व्हाई नॉट.
Does it get frustrating though sometimes this waiting game?
And for directors even longer.
Yes,
Yeah,
It's a
yeah.
longer process.
I mean, that's the part and parcel. We've chosen this.
Right.
This is what we've come into, and I think there is a warning right from the get go. Okay, there's this waiting game that will have to be there. There's patience that has to be kept, and you choose how patient you're going to be, and how enjoyable you're going to make that waiting for yourself. I think that's about it. And then when you get a project like this, you put all your heart and mind into it. We did it with all honesty.
Yeah.
And then it's out into the open for the audience to kind of judge and see whether it's made it or not.
Right.
But he was one of the most chill guys on set.
Ever.
Yeah.
Ever.
We were shooting in hot sun, and Kolkata heat is crazy.
I
It's
know.
crazy.
Yeah.
It's insane. It's top-notch humidity, top heat.
Yeah.
उसमें सब है, हाल से बेहाल हो रहा है, परेशान हो रहा है. There's action going on. There's chaos. And if you look at Devatma Da, he's sitting in front of the monitor
Captain
smiling.
Cool.
Yeah, he's cool. And he kind of spreads that energy across also.
Yeah.
So mentally, whatever the script demands you, whatever the character, the emotion demands you, that you're there. But mentally you're calm. You're in a safe zone, you feel, because of the calmness that the captain brings on the set.
True.
How couldn't you? I mean,
you don't have
I
an option.
love shooting. I love this whole medium.
yeah.
That reflects.
When you come into it with so much passion and the
Right.
waiting that you said, we've been waiting. I've been here for a while.
Yeah.
To get a project like this I'm fortunate enough that Neeraj ji had that kind of faith in us, me, Tushar, all the other technicians. Whoever came on board came with that only one aim in mind, that they're going to make the best show ever. And that will come with a lot of love, and it doesn't, the heat doesn't feel hot anymore.
Yeah.
The pain isn't as
Doesn't
painful.
hurt anymore.
Yeah, एकदम
Yeah,
कुछ नहीं लगता. You're
Right.
just there and you're really enjoying. Every day feels like a picnic on set, and you're just creating, like he said,
Yeah.
we're just playing on a daily basis.
Yeah.
And who doesn't like to play? It's like cricket every day.
Yeah.
आप खेलते ही जा रहे हो, घर कोई बुला नहीं रहा.
and everybody wins, nobody loses.
Yeah, everybody's winning.
Very
I
good
mean,
one, yeah.
But very good you brought up cricket, because we were all so happy to see that promo, with Saurav Ganguly.
Yeah.
That was like, what a surprise.
Of course.
Whose idea was it?
It was Netflix.
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 Did you
Netflix.
did we get to meet him?
We did
No,
not.
we did not.
Unfortunately, we
Unfortunately,
did
at
not.
all. But we are really hoping that we would get in touch with him.
But for Dada to say and
Exactly.
yeah,
a
it means
show,
a lot.
Nice of him.
that's good enough. I think that's all manifestation. I mean, who doesn't love?
And I think it was the obvious thing to do. That if
Right.
you're representing Bengal, then Dada's got to
Dada
be
is
there.
the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sir, I was watching one of your recent interview. I read it rather. You said that, this particular show, it represents Kolkata in a better way compared to, what we have seen earlier. Can you tell me what were you really talking about? What do you think was like the representation of Kolkata in the last few years that you
Not
thought?
better, but more
In a different,
honest.
maybe.
Yeah, in a different
Do you
way.
think we
as in-
only tend to show the sanitized side of it?
I mean, at some point it is
Yeah.
true
Yeah.
that with the whole, there's a romanticizing with the city. We all
Absolutely.
do. I mean, we love Kolkata. I mean, none of the actors would say कि Calcutta तो बहुत बड़ा dangerous सा कुछ है. But there are always stories that you want to tell. There are sides to a coin that is always there. I mean, how could a city survive with not having a very dark underbelly? With there are good and bad aspects to everything. Everyone. I mean, we are all good people, and then again we are crazy, evil people at some point. I mean. तो उसमें वही है कि the idea was always to say stories that have never been said before. Kolkata as a stage, we were always feeling it has not been explored. The gangster, the underbelly part of Kolkata. You've seen gangsters from Maharashtra. You've seen gangsters from UP, Bihar. You've seen again Bihar. Obviously, the Bihar chapter was such a big show, and it was such a big responsibility to come after it.
Yeah.
So the whole idea was to bring it out to the audience. Ki, Calcutta also has like a very dark side to it. And again, there is a lot of heart into the city as well, which is what that exploration took us to. I mean, this is a journey. I think nobody would watch the show and say, "Arey, बहुत dangerous city है, यहाँ जाना ही नहीं है." I think it shows you both sides pretty well. I think it shows that the makers love the city, and the makers have also gone through fears. And that's what Kolkata is. I mean, any city is.
Any city is.
Any city is. What we've tried to do is just shed a brighter light on Kolkata. Ki, it has its amazing side to it as well as a little dark side that has never been seen before.
Yeah.
You know what I think you guys have done? Can I speak?
Yeah,
Sorry, I'm really
please.
sorry. What I really think what they have done as writers and makers is, I feel like Kolkata is a novel जिसका प्रोलोग इतने खूबसूरती से लिखा हुआ है कि लोग उसी से satisfy होते हैं. प्रोलोग के आगे हम
You're
दूसरे
right.
अध्याय खोलते ही
You're
नहीं हैं. They are the first ones who've gone into the second and the third chapter to talk about the other faces of Kolkata.
Right. You're right. True. But Ritvik, I mean, since you're a Bengali boy, I mean, and somebody who was heavily inclined into the arts, I can only imagine, working with Proshanjit Chatterjee can only be something that is there in the bucket list, always.
Always.
So, what was that like, when you came to know that you'll actually be getting to share screen space too
Correct.
with him? What did it feel like?
I was over the moon, and so was my family, of course. And not just Bumbadab, I'm a huge fan of Bumbadab. I've always loved his work. But Jeetda also, Opuda also, Porumda also, everybody. And Porumda I've worked with before, and I've
Yes.
always told him that I love his work. And I was glad that I got to share screen space with him. Very little in this show, but in the other one, I spent a lot of time with him. I always looked up to their work. So I've really, really looked forward to one, play a Bengali part. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting, and two, work with them. And Bumbada, matlab, for me, I mean, it's obviously you'll ask me because I'm Bengali,
Yeah.
but there's a huge Bumbada fan here.
Oh, yes,
We are both
absolutely.
huge fans of
Yeah,
Baisha Shravu.
yeah.
Oh, I love Baisha
Oh,
Shabur
the both
too.
parts.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Have you watched
amazing.
Autograph? You should
I
watch that.
love
I've seen Autograph also, yeah.
I love Chokher Wali. Most of his work with Rituda. And he's been a fantastic actor. And like yesterday we were talking, somebody was asking us about nuances in performances in
Yeah.
this show.
Yeah.
And they asked us to point out whose nuances did you like, or what can you remember? I just cannot get over the scene. You've seen the show.
Yeah.
I cannot get over the scene where, without giving anything away, Bumbada's character smashes a table.
Yeah.
Right? Now, in that scene, in this diagonal are his party members. In that diagonal are his family members who live in this household. Every time he's performing looking there, he's a different person. Every time he comes back and looks here,
Yeah.
he's a different
You're
person.
right.
And how does he do it? It
Yeah.
really just bowled me over. He's superb. He's something else.
He's done over 300 films.
Yeah.
And that experience, you can see that on the set. And a lot of it because he knows so well how to communicate what in front of the camera.
Correct.
So a lot of times while you're doing, you don't know what he's doing. Only when you watch it on the camera and you see, oh, ye
Correct.
khel gaya yahan par. Yahan par ye kar-"
Like I remember discussing this also.
Yeah,
Adil
yeah,
and I were
yeah,
talking about
yeah.
the scene where
Yeah.
we got to sit with him. That
Yeah.
was this entire
That
conversation.
time we didn't know what he
Like
was
on
doing.
set, we
Yeah.
obviously knew that Bombada is doing a fantastic job. He's a very experienced actor.
Yeah.
But now when we watch the scene, we
The
feel like,
detailing that he brings.
वो क्या कर हमने notice ही नहीं किया वो कर क्या
Because
रहे
he's so
थे.
effortless,
Yeah,
you
yeah,
know.
yeah.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, see, your show, Bandaj Bandits, gave you a lot of female fan following. But, you know, after the trailer of this one,
हाँ जी.
I saw a lot of comments where there were more girls, you know, really talking about you because they got to see a very rugged, tough guy. How do you deal with this female attention, Ritwik?
I don't know. I'll have to, because you're the only woman right now on this panel, I'll have to ask you, what is it about bad guys and
That girls like.
Well, you know, on behalf of all the girls, it's just a thing we cannot explain to you properly.
Fair enough. So then I guess their love is a thing that I absolutely love receiving, but I cannot explain how it changes and what they like more.
Right.
But I'm just glad as long as there's love for the work that's pouring into my way, what else do I need? I mean, that's what we work for at the end
Absolutely.
of the day.
Yeah.
Right. You know, very lastly, since we have to cut this now, this is to all of you. You know, when you're making a show that, like you said, explores the dark underbelly of a city. You know, there are gangsters, there are a lot of there's a lot of violence and fights, and we did see some gruesome scenes. You know, people being chopped and you know all of that. How do you really take that call of how much violence is too much violence?
Oh, that's a
I mean, too much violence is too much violence.
correct.
Any day. I mean, till the point you're not pushing in violence just for the sake of it. Heck of it. ऐसा नहीं कभी कि set पे आके कि अरे मजा आ रहा है थोड़ा और खून डालते हैं.
Correct.
वो कभी आया नहीं. I think what happens is when you're writing a story, there is certain demands that a story does, and also to put up the reality of a situation. I mean, saying when you know that this guy is gone, there's something happening and there are people that they're killing. I think that is when violence comes in. And what I feel a lot of people have been telling me also, it doesn't feel as violent. The show doesn't feel as violent because we've never gone into that realm ki, a lot of bloodshed is going to happen right now.
A lot of it is implied, I think.
Yeah.
A lot of it is implied.
Psychological.
Yeah.
And also a lot of it is required, I feel, just to show there's a lot of heart into the violence in the sense ki a person is as hurt or as into that situation. Unless you see that violence, you would not realize or you would not feel for him at all. I mean, not giving anything away. I mean, there is a lot of violence, but there is a lot of heart behind it and a lot of thought behind
It's
it.
dramatic violence.
It's a lot of dramatic violence.
This
It's not-
reasoning.
yeah, it's not violence just for the heck of it.
Yeah.
नहीं तो हम तो बहुत कुछ कर सकते थे. हाथ पैर कट सकता था, चीजें आ सकती थी.
Actors को तो मजा आ रहा था.
सबको मजा बहुत आ रहा था, but there lies the balance where you
Yes,
know कि
it's very
where it
important.
is going too much
Yeah.
or too little. How much is the right amount of violence that is required for the show?
Absolutely.
And also, I'll give it. I'm really sorry to cut
No,
you, but I'll
it's
give
your
it to his
platform.
research because I remember while we read the script and it was the very impactful violent scenes that are written were on paper. Like it wasn't anything that was just out of कि set पे चल के देखते कि और क्या कर सकते for effect. How do we treat
हाँ,
this?
sensationalize
It was
नहीं
all
किया.
it was not sensationalized. It was all written on paper, and I actually walked up to Devatmada and I asked him कि these things, like, who imagined them? And he said nothing is imagined. All of these instances have actually happened in the history.
Happened. Oh God.
So it comes from true research, actual incidents,
Yeah.
and then fictionalized into these characters' arcs.
Oh wow. I want to ask you something, but then that will give away a spoiler which I don't want to, so later. Thank you so much to all of
you.
you for
Thank
this
you,
one. I
thank
hope
you,
more people
thank you.
watch it. Kudos to you for pulling a casting coup like this.
Yeah,
Seriously.
Oh, मैं
what
क्या
an
बोलूं?
absolute delight for us audience.
Thank you,
Thank you so
thank
much.
you, thank you so much.